Carcalor Marshin, Shane Welsh and Sulling, Erin Dave Lena. Congratulations, Shane. That was a pretty gutsy win, wasn't it, considering that you were short so many of your usual 15, say?
Yeah, no, exactly. It was a tough test there today. Like, we knew coming up here what man we were going to bring, and Joe, for us, it was just all about getting the performance after last week, just trying to get it going. Because Joe, we've a lot of things going on with injuries, as you said, but it's a great test for the panel, and it's great to get the outcome we got today.
What was it like out there? Because that wind, neither side seemed to be able to get to grips with it.
I suppose it shows probably generally the way football has gone. Like, it's a lot about running the ball now these days, and it's always hard because bodies are back and that. But look, I suppose we dug in at half time. We knew we were a point down, and we said it's all about performing, and the outcome will take care of itself.
And as a creative forward player, Shane, you've no issue with this defensive system that's so common in Gaelic football, and Galway Monaghan we saw from both sides here today.
I mean, you see it as another test, like, you know, and the way the football has gone, you just have to adapt to it, and you try and showcase your skills as you go along during the game.
What about this whole issue around last weekend and Dublin and the team not performing really, and coming off the back of a pretty big hiding really against the Dubs in Croke Park, to be able to give a response today? Do you think was that a big issue coming up on the bus today, and did you give it, do you think?
Well, I think, you know, after last week it was just all about performance. Like, you know, there was a lot of learnings there for us from last week. So you're playing the best team in the land the last couple of years, you know, so we have to take our learnings from that, bring it to this week, and, you know, thankfully today we got an outcome out of it.
Alright, well, there's two Laoch na hImeartha Shane, agus tá gradam Laoch na hImeartha sin ag sorach a furlong that, so cohordagus le Shane Welsh.